Truck cooking with the Truckerslife78, broccoli, mushroom, shrimp, and lobster over rice.
You know what I'm saying? And Bobby was holding his brother to his chest.
What's up, y'all? Truckers Life, and we back with another little something. We got these chopped onions right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put these in. We're gonna let these saute. Let them get soft, real nice like. Y'all know I don't like my onions crunchy, so I let them get real soft to where they melt your mouth soft. And then on top of that, alright, we back. We're gonna put the ginger right on top with the onions. Ginger in there. Yeah, some ginger. And because I got so much butter, I'm gonna put the garlic in right on top. Oh, scoop, a little 2 scoops. I love garlic when it's cooked down. And then we got broccoli, we got mushrooms, we got a lobster tail. I know y'all see that. And then we got some shrimp. We also gonna put some soy sauce. It's low sodium soy sauce from Walmart. Put some of this in. That's the salt. That's the sodium right there. I'll put some teriyaki sauce. I spilled butter on it, but it's teriyaki. I'm gonna take some white pepper, put it right in there too. Alright, so we're gonna put the broccoli in. We're gonna put some baby bella mushrooms. I don't use white mushrooms. I like baby bellas. They're more nutritious. They're heartier. And we're gonna let that soak down. And we'll be right back. I got a question. If y'all are in North Platte, Nebraska, had a comment, and I will be in my truck. I got dinner done. I will serve you dinner. Alright, y'all. Sorry, I almost missed y'all. But hey, it's your dinner. We got the rice at the bottom. We got the shrimp, lobster, mushrooms, broccoli on top. Pour some sauce on top. And we're gonna go inside and see if we can find somebody to taste it. The taste test. We gotta go do this. See? Alright, y'all, we're gonna go inside and we're gonna see if we can get a taste test. Here we go, y'all. Let's see.
Good.
It looks good, huh?
It looks good. Not gonna lie.
And that's all made from scratch in my truck.
Okay. Right here.
Watch your taste. Watch your face. Watch your face.
It's actually really good.
You ever thought a truck driver can make that in their truck?
Mm-mm. It's really good though.
Try it without the shrimp. Because there's also shrimp, lobster, there's garlic, ginger.
I love shrimp, so.
There's lobster in it too.
It's hot.
Well, guess what? You want to know something? That's your dinner.
Well, thank you.
You have a good night.
You too, hon. Here, I'll give you my TikTok so that way you can tag me in it.
Okay. Joe, we had a positive taste test, and we done. But hey, I'll holler at y'all, and I'm gone.